Hey guys, so the bob is definitely bobbing and I want to show you girls how I did this super natural install with no baby hairs, no plucking, no bleaching. This wig literally looks like it is growing out of my scalp and it only took me 10 minutes to do this simple, quick install. So if you're interested in how I installed this beautiful wig, then you already know the deal. Keep on watching. Alright, so let's get into it. So first of all, inside the packaging, RpgHair includes their HD wig cap, a edge brush, and some flyaway control. And then of course this is the 10-inch HD lace frontal wig that comes in the light Yaki texture, and it also comes with the adjustable straps in the back, which you guys know I love a wig that comes with the combs and the adjustable strap. So here I am pretty much putting the wig on, checking out this pre-plucked hairline and this light Yaki edges or whatever. Also, before I get ready to do any type of install, I'm going to go ahead and take care of my own edges by slicking them down using the Got2b glue. And then also I'm going to give another quick look at the hairline on this wig and the beautiful texture on this wig because it is just that nice. So there is a lot of lace on the wig, which is honestly an easy fix. So basically what you want to do is start cutting the lace around the ears to get the perfect wig fit. So yeah, be careful with this, but basically yeah, just cut like right at the tip of your ear or where your ear starts, and then just start to curve or carve out the shape of your ear, and then the lace or the wig should easily fall behind your ears like so. So just in case you're new here, when it comes to me securing my wigs down, I prefer to actually use holding spray. So I do not apply the holding spray directly on my hairs. I actually pull out some of the hairs around my hairline, and then I apply the holding spray directly on the lace. This prevents the hairs from being crunchy or hard. So yeah, I prefer to do it this way. So I actually do this method all the way around the lace to get the wig to be secured on my head.
One is the joy that you cannot waste, and the other one price that you cannot fix.
once the wig is secured down, I go ahead and push all of the hairs back into the hairline. So I was going to do a middle part with this wig, but I decided to do a side part instead. Now I'm not going to do any baby hairs on this wig because I really want to focus in on the clean hairline, and I just feel like, you know, sometimes it's a really good look to just go for a simple clean install and just do no baby hairs. Okay, so now that I got my hair pressed out and I got my side part, I'm going to go in with this Flyways stick. Again, this was included with the RpgHair packaging. I'm not sure if this comes in like all of their packages, but if it does, it is definitely safe to use on your wigs. This basically helps tame any type of flyaways that may be on your wig. This wig does have flyaways, but it's not a whole lot, so it's not a big deal. Also, this particular product is not heavy or super shiny, so you don't have to worry about that. I know sometimes when you use these wax sticks, it can leave like a residue behind on the wig. It can make the wig look super shiny, and it can just look a greasy mess. So yeah, you can use this and not have to worry about any of those issues. Also, I did go in and pluck the part on this wig just a little bit, not too heavy, because I am going to go in with some concealer. So yeah, now that I tamed those flyaways, which was real easy to do, I'm going to go ahead and tie my hair down so that this lace blends into my skin a lot better and it tacks a lot better. And then I'm going to go ahead and start pressing out my hair. time to take the scarf off, and y'all look at this hairline on this wig. I am so glad I decided to not do any baby hairs with this wig, because this wig literally looks like it is growing out of my scalp, and this light yaki texture just does it for me. This texture is so bomb. But just get into this hairline. Get into how this literally looks like it is growing up out of my scalp. Do y'all see this? Do y'all see this? Okay, let's finish.
And the other one price that you cannot fix. This is the piece that you cannot buy. Finding a way where you cannot see. Man with this system you cannot break. I need to find relief. I'm behind my mind in hand. All this not time about me. I need to give up my name. I need to be on my name. My mind running to the other side. When it's time to leave my life, then it tries to take me out. Tell you what I need. I really need China. I really need China. I really need China. I really need it for my mind out. I really need China. I really need different China. I really need China. Oh yeah. You set me free, freer than the open mind, farther than the eyes can handle, freer than the ocean now. Yeah. So set me free. Now I need to find relief.
Alright, y'all, and this is pretty much the final look to this beautiful natural wig install. This wig was so easy and simple to install, y'all, and it literally looks like it is growing out of my scalp. This wig, I have to say, is probably one of the most natural wig install I have done in a while, especially when it comes to a bob with no baby hairs. So definitely check out RPG Hair. I'm going to leave the direct link below to this wig. I definitely will have a coupon code in the description bar as well. The wig texture on this wig is crazy. You already know the hairline is doing what it needs to do. So make sure you check out everything in that description bar, and I'll see you girls in the next video. Bye.